I've been banging my head against the wall for quite a while now because I found a bug in the Epic Games Launcher that doesn't allow you to actually install a real engine, which is the main purpose of this lesson. So let me just show you how to try to fix that. Okay, might work for you, might not work. Let's just discover what's the case. So let's access the Unreal Engine tab here at the left column of the Epic Games Launcher. You'll find out that there's the Store button, there's a Library button, and then there's the Unreal Engine button. So click the Unreal Engine one, and then access the library here at the top bar there, and you'll find that there's like this section with the engine versions, but this plus button is grayed out. It's not allowing me to create any new Unreal Engine projects, or better said, any new Unreal Engine versions. So by jumping into the library and then searching for literally anything, it's supposed to help. So search for Unreal, go to Hub, maybe. And no, it seems like it's not being solved. It's kind of weird, kind of strange in that sense. I'm not sure why that might be happening. Stay organized, dismiss. Fortnite, maybe? Yeah, let me just click on that. Unreal Engine again. And it seems like there's nothing I can do to actually activate that button. So if that bug is happening to you, I'm really sorry. I don't know what it could be. I've been searching for a solution online. No luck. So what I'll do most likely is just switch to my other account, and hopefully it will be working there, just to show you how to use Unreal Engine.